welcome to Tanvi Diaries. Today's video is one of those easy and quick sweets recipes that I'm going to share with you all this Diwali. Before we begin, I would like to thank each one of you who have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't, then please subscribe now and do not forget to hit on that bell icon so that you get notified when I post my new video. So let's begin. No Indian festival is complete without sweets, but market these days is full of adulteration in foods, so you cannot trust about the purity. But you know what? You can make few sweets at home quickly and impress your guests with little or no efforts. Not only they are cost effective, but also you are sure about their purity. So let's get into one of those videos where I'm going to show you how to make chocolate laddus. These are like simple laddus that you can make only in 10 minutes. No cooking needed. That means you need not turn on your gas also for this. So let's get into the video. To start with, we need Oreo vanilla biscuits and some condensed milk of any brand that you like. To garnish, we would need some powdered coconut, and this is completely optional. So we start with removing the cream of the biscuits. We'll remove cream from all the biscuits and keep it aside. Now these biscuits are the base for our chocolate laddus. So we are going to grind them to get the powdered form of it. I'm putting them in a jar and grind them in my mixer. Biscuits are grinded well now, and the next step is to make a dough out of this powder. Now take a bowl and pour in the Oreo powder that you've just made. Now use condensed milk to make the dough. So initially I'm taking only 1.5 tablespoon of it because it is going to be really sticky. I'm using only 1 packet of Oreo biscuits, so if you have more, you can add more condensed milk. Now gradually add a little more to get that perfect dough. If it turns out to be a little sticky, you can use some ghee so that it doesn't stick to the bowl. Now apply some oil or ghee on your hands and make balls of desired shape and size. Now we are going to make the filling or the heart of these laddus, and they turn out to be seriously yummy after this. So for this, we are using the same cream, the vanilla cream that we removed initially from the biscuit, and add some dry coconut powder to it so that we can prepare a nice dough. If you don't want to use this vanilla cream or don't like vanilla flavor, then you can use dry coconut powder and mix it with condensed milk and make a dough out of it. Now make small balls so that you can insert them inside the laddu. You must be wondering that it would taste same as Oreo biscuit, but no, it tastes completely different and yummy, so you have to try it once at home. Now I'm applying some ghee or oil on my hands so that these laddus don't stick when I make them. Now stuff the filling that you just prepared very nicely inside the laddu. For garnishing, I'm just rolling them in the dry coconut powder. You can completely skip this step if you are not a coconut fan. I just love coconut, so I'm going over the board and just using it to add that extra flavor of coconut. These laddus are chocolatey, coconutty, and yummily delicious, so you have to try them once. And voila, the laddus are ready in just 10 minutes, and basically with 2 ingredients you can store them in a glass jar and they would be good to go for 7 days in refrigerator. Trust me, this recipe turns out to be so delicious and no one will be able to guess that they are made out of Oreo biscuit. If you give it a try, then please comment down below. I shall see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.